Welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. I do encourage you to subscribe and join this amazing family, and to also be notified whenever I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, you're the real deal. You're the real deal. Like, you're actually legit. Really? Do my dogs think it's okay to just start barking when I start filming? Like, yeah, sabotage. Today's topic is life is all a mind game. Your life and the journey that you go on all depend on the mindset that you have, on making up your mind that, you know what, things are going to be great. Waking up every morning and be like, today is going to be a good day. I'm going to do this and that and that. I'm going to smile, I'm going to be happy, and I'm going to just, remain positive. Yes, there are going to be so many things that are going to happen. There's going to be that one person that's going to try and just, try your life, and, just as human beings do sometimes. But how you react to that is what determines just how the rest of your day is going to go. If you decide that, you know what, I'm not going to feed into this negativity, I'm going to remain happy, I'm going to remain positive, and I'm going to just carry on with my day, your day will go pretty well. Now imagine if you adopt that same mentality with life generally. Imagine if you decide, you know what, I'm going to believe in something bigger. I'm going to believe that all things are possible. Just as the Bible says that all things are possible to those who believe. Do you believe that God can come through for you? Do you believe that, you are an amazing singer, or an amazing presenter, or an amazing lawyer, accountant? Do you believe that? I'm not saying that we should go about being pompous and arrogant about life. No, I'm not saying that. But you need to fine-tune your mind to not think all the negatives. People like to talk about how, hey, unemployment, hey, this. Yes, those things are there. It is a reality. That is the reality. But you don't need to continue to feed into that. You can be that one person that is like, you know what, regardless of the statistics, regardless of what is going on, I'm going to hold on to my belief that I can make it, I can succeed, and my life is going to be different. Or, you know what, even though I grew up in a place that is, poverty-stricken or whatever, I can still make something out of myself. Life is all a mind game. It's all about making up your mind that, you know what, I'm going to be great, I'm going to do great things, and I see great things happening. I don't know if I told you guys that I have a vision board. I created a vision board because I needed to be able to see every morning. It's actually behind me. I sit at this desk a lot of the time. I do a lot of things, and just like, I use my table a lot. And I see my vision board every single day. Most of the day I'm in my room and I'm just like, at my table, and I see what it is that I want to achieve. I try and feed my mind with as much positivity as I can. I try to, even though sometimes, life happens, and things happen, and they cause you to start to feel like, hey, is this really gonna happen? Setbacks happen. That's just how life goes. But I refuse to allow those setbacks to keep me back. But I want to encourage each and every one of you to be a little more optimistic. No matter how bad your situation is, no matter how bleak a situation may look, no matter how high that mountain might seem, I want you to believe, and actually, if it means saying it out loud every single morning, and just whatever you need to do just to get your mind on the right track, you will see your life go completely differently. You have to set your mind right, no matter what happens, no matter how bleak the situation, no matter how bad it seems, no matter how finished it might seem. You need to continue to hold on and be like, you know what, I'm gonna have faith that this situation is gonna change, and that I will achieve my dreams. I will achieve that goal. I will achieve whatever it is that I want to achieve. I will get out of this this dark place. I will be a success. Whatever the situation might be, always try to find the silver lining and just see how life can go. Remember, thoughts become things. So imagine if you had only good thoughts. Imagine the kind of things that you could manifest into your life. Think about it. So I don't want to talk for too long. I've already talked for much longer than I had planned, but I do hope that the message got across and that you guys will take it and you will run with it. Let's try to be a bit more positive. There's so much stuff going on in the world, and it's easy for one to end up just feeling like, it's over. But it's not over. You still have breath in your lungs, so there's still something that could happen. So here's to positive vibes, optimism, right mindsets, and beautiful futures ahead of us. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, do give it a thumbs up to let me know. Leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts about this. Is there something that you do? Like I said, I have a vision board, so that keeps me kind of like, you know, flowing a bit better, nyana. What do you do? Do you also do positive affirmations? Do you also have a vision board? What is it that you do to help keep you a bit more positive and optimistic? I'd love to hear from you. And if you feel like somebody needs to hear this video, share the video with them, and just let everybody know that we are all about positive vibes. We're all about living life on the positive side. Anybody got time for negativity? Goodbye with the negativity. Okay, guys, I talk too much. So, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.